Let's go get Sam. Ready to go outside? Go ahead, Sam. Let's do it quick. Come on. Let's go. Real quick. Come on, baby. It's okay. Nothing's happening. Yeah, she finally decided to come out because she heard Piper outside. Now, because I stepped out and she started barking inside. Hey, it's just Piper. Piper's allowed to be outside too, you know. The Piper's on the other side. Yeah, it might get nasty out. Hey, little blue. You remember me? Sam. No, no. Sam, come. Nah, you don't want no girl fight, that's for sure. Let's see. Looks like you're getting ready to go to the dumps. There you go. Oh, there's another one. That's better play. That one's cool. As I said, Margie's on that one. There goes Margie TV. Got it. Sam's like, I'm out of here. Why are you going that way? We didn't go this way yet. Let's go this way. No, let's go this way. I want to go this way. Say, come. Let's go this way. Come, come, come. No? Okay. She's like, hell no, I am going the long way. It's shorter the other way. So shout out everybody. Shout out to you who are watching right now. If you're, oh, look. You see it? You see it? So if you're watching right now, please, if you are first, leave a comment about this video and what did you see? Did you see something cool? Did you see something beautiful? Did you see me? I don't think so. Oh, maybe you did. I don't know. Yeah. Purple smoke tree. Like I said, that's Lodi Lynn's tree. This is Lodi Lynn's. Oh, she put her mark on it. That's hers. Tweenie, my loves, you gotta mark something. You gotta say that's mine. So Lodi Lynn already took this purple smoke tree. All right, Sam. Well, good there. Here I am. Hello. Doggy, doggy. That's a good girl. Say, Willie Bonita. Ow! Ow, ow, ow! 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 She said, open the damn door already. All right, hang on. All right, so to get an idea of what I was doing, see, if you watched the previous video, see that I was up there. See, I still got to do that side there. And then I'm going to paint each part and let this dry overnight. Step stool. And now the next color I'm going to use is Patina. Patina. Patina channel. I don't know Patina channel. But so then, like I said, you probably couldn't see. I got these on here. I got the screws in. You come over this way. And basically with that shelf is going to go right up here, right on the top. So now I got this other thing that I'm doing, which is a side project. I got, see this board here? Oh, it's dry. I figured it would be. This stuff dries pretty fast, so I got to paint this side next. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this right up in there. See, I already got pieces here. You can see what I'm doing. Here and there. This is basically going to go in there, okay? Because the screws are in the way because it's blocking the hole so I could be able to paint through there. The whole point of this is, my friends, I got this little coat hanger type thing. Isn't it cute? I know. And so basically, it'll go right in here. See, I can't make it work that way. Now, I know you're going to say, oh, why don't you just put it up there like that? I can't do that, silly goose, because I got the shelf that's going to go up there. So, and then, of course, my dad would probably say, well, why can't you just hook it on there? I can't do that because it won't hold very well. That's why I want to do that other thing where it's going to hang like this, and then you can hang your wires or extension cords or whatever you want to do. Whatever makes you happy. If it doesn't make you happy, then don't look at it. Simple as that. So, Tweety, my loves, where are you? I miss you. It's not the same without you. I'm so depressed. Isn't that cool? I made that. Yep, I colored that in. It's cool like that. It's cool like that. If I get this stupid thing to stay in one spot, maybe I can take a picture. There we go. Of course, it probably won't show as good, as better as the other one. So, anyways, that's it. I gotta get finished working on this, and please watch all the previous videos. Hopefully, I won't have a copyright claim for the Savage Garden dancing shout out video. Yeah. See, I had you on that phone clamp. I had you on here. Yep. See, it goes all the way down here. So, this morning we took my dad to another doctor's office. Go see another doctor, and they said that the oxygen thing was not working right, and that I needed to turn the dial up to 3. And so my dad is resting in his room, and we had the oxygen tank up a little higher. He's doing better, although they said that his oxygen level was low. So, look, there goes Margie TV again. um, anyways, see you in my next upload. Stay awesome. Be happy. Do that thing that you do. And don't forget the thumbs up. Thumbs up. See this? The thumbs are up. Unless you want to go this way. If you could go this way, let's go this way. You know? Hitchhiking. See my next upload. I don't know if the mail came yet. Sincerely, I'll go look. Okay. Stay awesome. Angel Food at BP. Where are you? Oh. Hello. All right. Your storage is critical. Thumbs up. It's always critical. So remember, this is the subject. Upside down shelf being painted. Yeah. Well, see, I already did a little bit there. That's for ZIVRV vlogs. Yeah. Because you like yellow, that's for you. I'm actually going to do yellow in here too. So those who want to see what this looks like again and how else it looks, come back and you'll see more. Thank you, Road TV. You gotta go to Road TV. Yes, Road TV. I'm actually going to use green as well. Yep, I might use green on this shelf. And I got another green. Oh, those who want to know, Moses JH, that shelf is in place. See that? It's a done deal. So I told you I was going to get that done. That was easy. That was the easy part. This is a challenge. So welcome to the showroom. Anna Maria Garcia. Hope you had an awesome birthday. All right. See you in my next upload. Ciao, 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 ciao. And stay safe, stay awesome. God bless. Love you all. Tweety, my loves, I love you forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Margie TV, I love you too. I love all of you. But I'm in love with Tweety, my loves forever.